Hi my family and welcome to another of my video. Now I always put 3 videos a week, every Monday, every Wednesday and Friday, but now when I'm free I actually thought that I could put some bonus videos out there during the week, and I think it's amazing. I already have a couple of pre-filmed videos. I'm just lazy to kind of put them together, but I'm going to. And I'm preparing my beauty room so I can film there again. I miss it a lot. But guys, I just received the new GlossyBox. It's for this month and I can't wait to open it. So if you're interested to see what's hiding in June's GlossyBox, then please keep on watching. Okay, so let's open it together. I know I don't wear any makeup right now, but just want to open it. Okay, so here is the box itself. Okay, let's take it out. It's a little bit different than the usual. This is the nice green color and it's matte. A little bit smaller packaging than the other ones. It's first time that we get this smaller box. It's interesting. Let's open it. I like it. Looks like this. Let's turn the camera and see what's hiding in here. So here is the box. It's summer theme. You want to see what's hiding in there. Ooh, some amazing products. I wanted to try this. I tried a couple of their products and they're good. And this is whitening friends, contains sodium fluoride. Yeah, so I will definitely check this one out. Sounds like a great product. And then we have lip balm. I like these lip balms. Actually, I really like these. Ooh, peach, my favorite. Then we have a sleek palette. This is highlighter palette. These 2 dreams. I saw a teaser on their website that this is going to be in this box, and I'm actually going to put this in a giveaway. I'm sorry for my nails. I'm going to fix them during the weekend, but I'm going to put this in a giveaway. I'm collecting some products. Brilliant Smile Sweden. So if you're in Sweden, you can get 30% off if you put this code. What do we have here? French Bomb Body Scrub. Oh, I want to open this one. Wait, let's open it. Oh my god, this one smells so good. It's very small. I think this is like a sample size. But it smells very good. Oh, I can't wait to try it. Or do we have more? Is there anything else? Yes, one more product. Oh my no, lightweight oil mist for natural styling. Light control, high shine, non-greasy, non-visible. I don't know. Is this a hairspray? Let's check the card. Okay, so this is a hair oil that will give you a nice shine. So that's interesting. I will try this out because I can't send this in a giveaway because of the packaging, but I will try it. So I think this box is very good. Really, I'm very excited to try this. This one I will put in another giveaway because I know the Sleek is very popular brand and their highlighters are amazing. I have something similar to this, so I don't need it, so I will put it in a giveaway. That's great. These I will definitely try. I mean, I buy these all the time. It's not the peach one, but the others, and my children really like them. They lose them very fast, so definitely going to be useful. This one, these I really want to try. I've been wanting to try this for a long time, and this is interesting. I haven't heard about this product, and I'm very excited to try this body scrub. Sounds amazing. So when I'm reading through this magazine, it sounds like all of these products are in size that you can buy, full size. Probably this one you can buy a bigger size too, but it sounds like you can actually buy this size. So it's a pretty good box. I really like it. This month's box is nice. I'm very happy with the box. So guys, this box was amazing. I'm sorry that I don't wear any makeup. I hope you don't mind, but I was so excited to check out this box, and definitely going to try these products. I'm very happy with this box for this month. Pretty good. I think this one was one of the best boxes so far from GlossyBox. Oh my god, this smells so good. I like it. Guys, I really like this. I'm sorry I don't wear any makeup. I was so excited when the box just arrived. I wanted to film this as fast as I could. But this is my lazy days, so I don't wear makeup when I'm just at home, if I'm not going to film or do something special or waiting for someone to arrive. But guys, I love you so much. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. If you did, don't forget to give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, because I'm preparing for a big giveaway, international, and I hope you'll be part of that. So see you soon.